Hi, so I'm Greg Staley, General Manager of Bot. We're the national importer and distributor of Keenan robots in Canada.
Hi, I'm Wendy from Brighton Retirement Living here in Brighton, Ontario. We're a brand new facility. We use the robot to deliver the food. We use the robot for birthdays. We use the robot to clear the tables. The residents really get a charge out of it. They really love it, especially when it's singing to them. They love the personal touch when it brings the food and sings happy birthday to them.
Right. I personally see nothing but smiles when the robot comes out. Like the seniors seem to really love it.
They get excited when they have family over or friends over. And when the robot delivers food, you can just see that smile and that.
That's one of the things we're also hoping is that kids will want to come and visit Grandma and Grandpa because there's also a robot. So there's something fun for the child to see too. So it encourages them to come to those visits.
Yes, absolutely. Yeah, the kids love it too. They think it's really neat. It helps with repetitive injury. The trays can be heavy at times. If you're carrying 4 trays, 4 to 8, we generally seat 4 at a table. So if you're carrying 4 plates on a tray, it's very cumbersome on your wrists. So it helps with preventing repetitive injuries.
Okay. So this robot has really just helped be the ultimate assistant. Right?
Absolutely. We do occasionally use it but yeah, it helps definitely because you can go table to table.
I just love the robot.
T9.